I've never met my father. I don't even know if he knows I exist. I'm Chinese Fijian and my mum's Māori. I don't look like anyone in my family. I really want to know where I come from. It would be like a new door opening to my life. Can you please help me find my father and where I come from?
There's perhaps nothing worse than feeling like the odd one out.
What's that letter? What's that word?
29-year-old solo mum, Piki Nahi, works in the justice system. She believes her dad was a sailor who worked on ships travelling between Nauru and New Zealand. Piki has 2 children, Liana and Waimana. They no longer live with the children's father. Piki has always felt the absence of her own dad.
Bulla, so you believe your dad was on the phosphate boats?
Yes, that's what Mum's told me.
And what do you know about him?
Not very much.
Yeah?
Only that he is of a Chinese Fijian descent, and I just spotted his name on my birth certificate when I was younger.
That discovery compelled Piki to look further, and she delved into shipping records. She was able to identify the name of her father's ship, the Aigigu. But Piki was unable to find William Ma himself, and as a sailor, she knew he could be anywhere in the world.
Because I was always a shy person, I was just too shy to even do anything about it, you know?
You're Maori on your mother's side,
Yeah.
but there's another part of your cultural background that you know nothing about.
Oh, yeah, I've always wanted to know the other side of me, you know? I just want to be whole, you know? I just want that so bad.
Piki has been wanting that since growing up with a stepdad, 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yeah, I used to get teased a lot at school. I just felt like I didn't quite belong. I just looked completely different from everyone, even within my own family, you know, my siblings. I look nothing like them.
If you get to meet your dad, what will you say to him?
I don't even know how I'd react, you know, if I ever met him. If he ever agreed to meet me, I don't know.
How hard is it to do this?
Exciting yet terrifying.
William Ma now lives in Auckland and agrees to meet me.
Hello, William.
Yes, Steve.
I'm David.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. Well, as I said on the phone, a woman has come to us, and I believe she's your daughter. Her name's Piki, and do you know anything of her?
No, I have no idea at all.
No idea.
I've never knew anything about it.
Have you been able to raise it with your family?
Yes, I have. I've spoken to them about it briefly.
And your wife, is she okay?
Well, I hope so.
Well, would you like to see
Yeah.
this young lady? Shall we grab a seat? So, this is a young woman who might be your daughter.
Hi, William. I'm Piki Nahi. I'm terrified to be doing this, but I've done this because I am really curious to know who you are, where you come from, where I come from. I don't look nothing like my family, and I would like to know if I look like you. And it would be really awesome if you'd meet me.
She looks like one of my daughters, actually. I didn't know she'd existed. I did not know.
You're reasonably convinced she'll be your daughter?
Yeah, I'd be happy to meet her.
That's great. She'd love that.
29-year-old Piki Nahi has wondered all her life who her real dad is. Now there's something he wants her to know.
Okay. To Piki, hello and bula vanaka to you and your children. When I saw your video message, I was emotional to see you and disappointed that I had not known you existed. I say this sincerely. I do not want you to feel that way. There is no rejection. It is late, but I am here now and I would like to build a relationship with you and your children, if you would like to. Your dad, William Ma.
So in a few minutes, your mum's going to meet her dad for the first time. Would you guys like to watch?
Yeah.
So, it's been a bit of a shock to you the last little while coming up.
Mm-hmm.
How have you coped with it all?
Pretty well, I suppose, as best as I can. Yeah.
You were determined to meet her.
I'm eager to meet her. Hopefully I can make up,
She's going to be coming down here in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Any idea what you're going to say to her?
I don't know, just let me meet her first and then we'll, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yeah.
I just can't wait to actually meet him. I just feel like I'm going to fall apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just the anticipation, the excitement, the longing, it's my whole life.
If you were to look over your left shoulder just down at the end of the wharf there, can you see that man standing there?
Yep.
That's your dad. Would you like to go down and meet him?
Yep.
Great. Good luck.
As I was walking down, everything was just going through my head. I've wanted this for so long and it's here now. That was the longest walk of my life. The first time I seen him, I could tell he's my dad.
When I saw her walking up, there was so much emotion. I just wanted to get closer. Piki.
Just having him there to be able to hold me, just to feel him, his embrace and stuff, it was amazing.